Osman here. Today we're going to be talking about installing this faucet. It's a Moen faucet that you can either go through all the instructions on the manual or just watch this video and see how it gets installed. So today I'm going to be installing this faucet, which is the oil rub bronze two-handle T6125ORB from Kingsley. Apparently that's the model, I guess, and this is made by Moen. See, Moen, it comes in two boxes. So we have box number 1 with all these parts, and this brings the drain part, has some manuals in it, and then box number 2 has the faucet, and top of the faucet will have nice looking pieces too. So though you get 2 manuals and you can go through the whole thing, page 1, page 2, explain what is what, and then it's a very self-explanatory, very easy. We just sometimes don't like reading the manuals, which won't be bad, okay, just to take a look at the things. So those are the 2 pieces of paper for this one. Then we have the parts and these little things in here for the hot water and cold water. Nice drain. Got the main faucet, and this is the for the drain too. Well, so let's see how we're going to start. As I explained before, it has 2 manuals. So this one is explaining the drain, how to install the drain, and then how to install the hoses underneath. So we're gonna go 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. This box really is just containing the finished parts. Just gonna go here, 1. The one's gonna go here, and then this main one, see, is gonna go in here. And of course, this is the tool that they're sending us, tool they're giving me, so I can install it. And don't forget, you don't want to trash this, bag that has some kind of grease that you're gonna need. And this part is for the bottom part of the drain. I really don't know the name. And that's it. You gotta notice this part, which is the part that goes in the middle, is gonna be holding this second part. It's gonna be like this. So it has a screw that you can turn to the left, and once it gets all the way, it just keeps spinning. But that's how you're gonna secure this part to the counter, to the top. So now we're gonna use some plumber's putty to to put this piece right here. So you see I send this guy all the way. So I am just preparing my plumber's body. This is gonna go underneath here. Just waterproof. So, you know, it's like a seal. Try to center it. And then they give you this tool, it's a plastic tool that you're going to use to screw and hold this piece from underneath. So it's a bag with more nuts. So the smallest nut is the one that's going to go here. And then this bracket is the one that's going to be holding. Gotta make sure this bracket goes like this, because it needs to give room to get like this underneath. We're going to get underneath here. So as you see, this is the part that goes. And then we're going to tighten them over here. We got it, you can see. It's being secured. Now let's go back in and put the top. Okay, so now we have all these plumber's putty I'm removing. It's greasy. You don't need more. Now this is the piece that goes. And now I'm going to use the Allen wrench that they gave me, and then we're going to tighten it clockwise. Okay, after several turns, then I got into a point where it's tight. It's not going to move. Okay, now we're going to go and install the parts. And you gotta understand that I'm installing this one from the back of the vanity. So if you were to install it from the front, you're gonna be facing it this way. So your left is always gonna be the hot water and the right is gonna be the cold water. So this is the right way the vanity is gonna go, but I'm using the installation, I'm doing it from the back. So just to make sure you understand that we're gonna be using and putting the hot water on this side. That's the left side from my front. So you'll see the one has the red and the other one has the blue. So blue is gonna go on my right and red is gonna go on the left. And the way this ones go is that you put the nut jump to the other side, and then put the square brass piece. Then you're gonna go underneath, and this is what is gonna go on top, like this. This label, you can see it's labeled top. So this goes on top. And then you have this clip that is going to be installed to hold it, like this. So let's get it on. We gotta understand that we gotta put plumber's putty on this rim. And that's how it goes. And then you tighten it from the bottom. And we do the same with the cold water. We're doing the plumber's putty. Now, before we install the handles, we gotta make sure that this handle is gonna be like that when it's closed, and it's gonna be like this when it's open. So what we do is we turn this guy all the way to the left, and this one all the way to the left too. And now we are ready. We make sure that this is closed like this, and this one is going to be closed like that. And now we gotta do is just tighten the bottom part. So to do this, we're just going to turn clockwise. Now it's open, close. And we're gonna go with this one. Hold it and start tightening clockwise. Open, close.